Welcome, 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 my viewers. Welcome again. Today I'm having my little food right here, so you're not gonna enjoy some food right now. I'm the only one who have this type of meal anyway. So we'll show you it. Big up all my viewers, wherever you are viewing from, you know.
Representing a Kojak country lifestyle. Country life is so nice, yeah.
My viewers, I'll be having 4 dumplings with 4 ripe fruit. Can you guess what kind of fruit I'll be having with my 4 fried dumplings? I don't know if you know what is fried dumpling. Do you know what is fried dumpling? What we call fried dumpling in Jamaica, my viewers? I know like every Jamaican would know. I'm going to show you my fried dumpling with my 4 ripe fruits. So the skin, them I just remove the skins. Here's here, my viewers. See, I just bite a piece of my dumpling a while ago. Look, ripe banana with fried dumpling. I'm the only person who do it like this. See? Yeah. Ripe organic banana. A lot of potassium. There are so many health benefits in the banana. Natural ripe banana. You can check it out in my playlist. I have a lot of videos in my playlist. The dumpling here, Johnny cake. Some people would call it Johnny cake. What tough recipe, my viewers. This banana is so nice. My dumpling. I know you have never tried it. Only person who do it this way is Kojak from Jamaica. Some people might say bizarre food. Might not have a beautiful presentation, but I'm enjoying every bit of it. How I do it? 1 dumpling per banana. 1 ripe dumpling to a ripe banana. Having fried dumpling and ripe banana on a rainy day in Jamaica. What a life, what a sweet life. Such a beautiful life. Bet. Old story time. Clifford, Lola, Barbara, Good Life, Marva, Jacent, big up. 2 down, 2 to go. A lot of rain falling now. It's raining like crazy now. See my viewers? Rain. You hear the sound of the rain on the zinc on the roof. See? Thunderstorm. Almost finished my... See it? Almost finished now. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm, my viewers. Finish up my dumpling and ripe banana. I know lots of people, the first year I've seen this type of food. Banana with dumpling.